The Xiaomi Mi Mix Alpha is one of the newest phones to be released, and just to say the least, it's gonna be pretty crazy. Now, we first heard about this phone in September 2019, and it's supposed to be coming soon in the month of December 2019. Now, this has some specs straight out of Star Trek. You're gonna get the 7.92 inch with 180 screen to body ratio, 2088 times 2250 pixels with 388 pixel density. Now, bezel-less displays aren't enough. We gotta keep pushing the limits further and further. So instead of just using the front of the display, we need the sides and back too. The Xiaomi Mi Mix Alpha basically has an 8-inch display with a 108 pixel camera, which was going to record in 3240 pixels with 12 gigabytes of RAM and a Snapdragon 855 Plus. Now, the battery on this thing is a beast too, with a 4050 milliamp hour lead polymer battery. Now, the screen, the technology that they're actually using is bonkers. It's called the Flexible Super AMOLED Capacitive Touchscreen with 16M colors and 180 screen to body ratio. Now, this thing does also run on this Android 10. It does also have the OS of MIUI 11. It does have a Snapdragon 855 plus 7 nanometers. Now, the GPU is 640 at 700 megahertz, and it's going to be expandable as well with two different versions, the 512 and 128 gigabytes of internal storage. It also has an under the screen fingerprint with a 20 megapixel for ultra wide, another telephoto, and a wide angle too. But tell me what you guys think about the Xiaomi Mi Mix Alpha in the comment sections down below, and I'll check you guys later. Peace.